Why is this so difficult? Holy cow. Okay, hey, this one actually showed up this time though. Good. Now I can update it and finally tell you again, YouTube, that it's not, oh, it's not education. It's not, it's science and technology. Oh my lord. That is way too difficult to set up. There's no reason this should be so difficult. It's okay. It's okay. Gonna try and figure. Yes. Sorry, Peggy. I remembered I had chat box issues when I was playing Sims, so I needed to try and add this background to my chat. I need to. It's so garbage. Just nothing feels like working. And I really would like it to work. I'm trying my best to get it to work, and it just doesn't feel like it. It's just a little ridiculous because I'm like, if I want to customize my chat a little bit, but I can't do that because if I say I want to use custom CSS, then it's like, oh, you want to use custom CSS and HTML. Okay, we will give you nothing and you need to figure out how to make the chat load on your own. And there are like no real guides on how to do that. And it's just kind of a whole heck of a lot of garbage. And I really just want to change the font, but I'm not allowed to do that. So I need to go back to just working on my theme, I suppose. Just, we'll figure this out one day. God, I hate this. No wonder streamers pay people to do this. This is ridiculous. I never want to try and work with Streamlabs ever again. It's garbage. Okay, so we'll just, you can go away, that window. And I'm like, why hasn't your message shown up like at all on stream? What is the hacking point of all of this? I just want the chat box to work. Please, chat box, just do a work. Just for once in your life. I don't. Okay, so this. Why? Oh my goodness. This chat is garbage. What if I put the restream chat back on? Can I do that? Are you gonna work today? I want something to work. I just want something to work. Anything would be nice. I don't know if I'm going to get that, but it would be helpful. I just gotta hope that something decides to work. I don't know what it's gonna be. It's obviously not gonna be streaming, that's for sure. We're off to a great start already, I see. I'm just very ready for everything it's about to throw at me tonight's stream. Okay, well, now we just gotta hope that, like, YouTube decides to work. Where did I put my YouTube? I don't know if it will. Okay, well, at least now I can see all the chat. It's fine. We don't need YouTube anyways. I know, that's what I keep telling people. Except for Peggy's Twitch message didn't even show up in the default chat box out of Streamlabs. And I'm like, I am not prepared for everything right now. It's everything's horrifying and I don't like it. Am I prepared? No, certainly not. But hopefully I did update my follow notification. Oh, hi. Welcome. So hopefully that'll actually work. Although at this point, I'm sure it won't. It will just decide that it doesn't feel like working. I mean, okay, so Twitch is working. Twitch chat is working with Restream. Will YouTube chat? Who knows? Yeah, I can find out. I'm messaging from YouTube. Hey, okay. I'm just gonna assume that that's gonna work tonight. We're gonna hope for the best. This is just ridiculous. Everything is ridiculous. Whoa, no way. From Twitch? Ooh, tell me more. Okay, so this is what we kind of left off on. Okay, kind of got to get an idea of what we are dealing with. Oh, right. The issue with it not being in sight, but the wiggling's very good. Oh, maybe I should just try and tackle that rather than what I was planning on working on. Locations. Because everything just kind of broke, if I recall. And I wasn't too happy with that. It's like, I'm just gonna... Oh, I can't control Z this though, can I? Oh, maybe I have left it open. Let me just throw all this in a notepad. Like Peggy's message didn't show up in my Streamlabs for that one, but I guess it was from when I was disconnected from chat. This is never gonna work. Nothing's ever gonna work. I really just... Why does Twitch always just disconnect me from chat over and over and over again? It's a little ridiculous and I don't like it. So this should be fine. Find open in view. So can I just like, if I just hypothetically undo everything I did, like I don't think I changed this open spaces one. Yeah, no, that's like exactly the same. But this one worked, if I recall. Oh wait, this is gonna crash everything, isn't it? Because I'm still calling methods, yeah. So I can't really just do that. Okay, we'll just bring it all back. Give it all back to me. There we go. Open in view. Hey, Emiko. How are you doing tonight? Thanks for joining on Twitch. Padding my stats. Find open in view. Random open in view. Find open near. Let's... Okay, so that just finds one. Find open next to calls find open near with a radius of 1, which then should just bring me to here. Okay, so I just want to watch this. So are people are getting drinks from weird places, right? I do not condone getting drinks from strange places. Oh, I'm doing pretty well. So like, where's she going? She's going all the way over here to get a drink? That's not anywhere near a drink. It's a college party. People are going to get drinks from weird places. Well, I would assume somehow it needs to spawn from drinks. But what do I know? New vector. X plus I, vec y plus j. That should be fine. So this would be like I is -3, and it could go up to 3. Okay, let's just do this. I'm gonna hate it. I hate debugging. It always sucks, but I'll try it. Okay, so he likes this jam. Good for him. Okay, so what's our object? Come on, show me the object. Are you seriously not going to show me the object? Can I not hover over that? Why? Self, other object. Okay, you have an impedance of 1. That's good. But maybe that's why. Step into that. So if I do, it's like, do you just come out as 0? No, you come out as 8. 8 and 4. And insert drinks into weird places. 0, 1, 2. Ugh. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, no, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be this bottom right drank thing, which is beer right now, so that's fine. Where's my debugger? Give me this. And length is 0, so we're going to do... Okay, so then what I care about more is, like, that should work, but I should go here. Array length of open is 4. So what is open? What does open have? 7 and 4, 9 and 3, 9 and 4, 9, or 9 and 5. Yeah, that seems fine. So then we return open with a random from 0 to 3. So what calls you? Find open near ren. Oh no, it's find open next to. Idle. I think that should be fine. I can do that. So then our target location is now what? Self. Target location. So we're trying to go to 7 and 4. So we're going to the one to the left of it. Yeah, just go. That's not 7 and 4. That's not 7 and 4 in the slightest. What? Oh, my day was fine. Just work, as always. Always gonna be a strug. So what was that? Like, that's 8 and 4. 7 and 4 should have been here. So that was like 9 and 2? Huh? So what's your draw? And target location. But they are target location dot x. So what's your target location now? 7 and 1. So that should be this guy. No, this guy right here. How was your day, Emiko and Bob? $480, $224. Lots of problem solving. Fun. Why did this all of a sudden just stop working? Oh no, that was 7 and 1. Okay, wait. This grass is my jam. Oh yeah. Okay, she's gonna go listen to music, which is fine if she went to a reasonable place to listen to music. Everyone's just going to this ridiculous place to go listen to music. Someone want to go? Yeah, where did you get a drink? Seriously. Seriously. You're getting a drink. What? It's like, oh my goodness. So what am I doing? So I don't have a drink. So their goal state becomes get a drink, and then their find the nearest object of object drinks. Find open next to. Should just pass it through, and then we get the X and divide it by the global size. I've had better days, but now you can enjoy the stream and try to work again. You gotta do work this time, though. Gotta do work. Like, I don't know. This seems reasonable. Where's TriPath to here? Just gonna debug that. So when they decide to get a drink, I want to see that. So someone's got to get drink in here. Please. Someone thinks it's their jam. I didn't exactly see who. Okay. So you're trying to path to a target location of 9 and 5. So this was 7 and 1, I think. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be here. I think that's 9 and 5. You know what? I'll double check in the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is next to 1. So I guess the question is, where are you going to go? That is not 9 and 5. So what's your target location? Shrine. Good. 9 and 4, so it should be right above that. Go. You're not going anywhere near 9 and 4. Oh. Oh, that's why. Okay, that's dumb. I just need to return. Wow, I spent the entire time just working on that, and all I needed to do was I just needed to return? Because it was trying to path and then selecting a new location? Wow. Wow. And you're just walking on that stereo. Okay, walked next to it and got a drink. Oh my goodness. And they might actually, like, obey the in view, though. I was just selecting a random spot right afterwards. It was actually working. I'm just dumb. Such is the life of a programmer, I guess. Okay, hold on. I want to see more people dance. Yeah, that's in view. That's in view, my dude. So what's the plan for tonight? So I had an idea of how I wanted to do, like, relationships and whatnot, and I felt a decent way to start to start Q-tree? Oh god, I don't even know what that is, and I don't like the sound of it. I thought a decent way to start would be like doing like fraternities and sororities, because then you just, the first relationships would just be like frat brother and sister and sorority sister, and it kind of gives you an easy way to like group them. Q tree sounds absolutely horrifying. I hate all trees. Just legitimately, I don't like them. I see, like, the data structure class I took, it doesn't like your made up tree. The data structure class I took told me like how to make data structures, and I'm like, sick. I don't know how to use them. Like, they just kind of exist there, and I'm like, sweet. I know how to like make a linked list. Linked list is a bad one, a bad example, but it's like, okay, I know how to make a binary tree. I don't really know when I'd ever use a binary tree. But yeah, and then on top of that, I felt like I should maybe add some more basic stuff, like using the bathroom or whatnot. Whereas your total lack of data structures class left me unprepared to do stuff without a library for it, but I can use them. Well, I mean, that's like also the point. Like, there's a library for most stuff. I just don't know why I would, I'm just gonna throw stuff into maps and let the maps figure it out for themselves. Okay, we're getting somewhere, though. So I'm just gonna create a new group right now. It's just gonna be called generators. And I'm just going to create a new script, wherever it is, just called generators. And then this one will just be function, Greek. Wait, there's a Greek char set? Obsolete. Sick. Greek house name. So now I get to do the fun stuff of going to YouTube, and or not to YouTube, to the internet, and just do, what is the Greek alphabet? And I'm just gonna steal this, and it'll be great. Okay. So where's my global vars? We'll just do this. I'm literally just gonna do this because why not? Okay, I knew up to delta. I got that. And epsilon. Okay, and then I just totally lost it. Zeta, eta, theta. Okay, yep. Iota. Uh-huh. That's a thing. Kappa. This puts... This Wikipedia page puts the M in lambda in parentheses. Like, it's not always there. It's just lambda. Lambda. Mu, nu. Okay. Yep. You got that. Some of these I don't think are used in Greek names. Like, I don't even know what Omicron is. I forgot that. Oh, I forgot. I also forgot one. G. Why not? Yeah, the Wikipedia says what it is, but I also think it's made up. Pi, rho, sigma. That one's used. I know sigma. Tau, upsilon, phi, chi, psi, Gangnam Style. Perfect. That seems like that's a pretty Greek alphabet right there. I believe it. Now double check that I have 26. I don't think I'm supposed to have. Are there 26? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wikipedia only has 24. Wikipedia would never anger me like that. Now you're scaring me. Scaring me. Now I'm just looking through them like, oh god, you're lying to me. Bleh. It'll be fine. It's gonna do 2 plus I random of 1. Do you have Z? Yeah, I threw Z in there. I did miss Z, but I went back and added it. But shouldn't it be like after this? Did I ever... Global vars even in here? I don't think it is. Because you don't need to put it in there for... can just sit there. Instance creation order, kick you up to the top. Bet on the count though, it is 24. Whew. Okay. I thought you were just messing with me. I was like, it's a good joke. You would have had me checking for so long. At least now I know I don't need this. I'm pretty sure I got them all. If not, it's at least close enough. 4 equals 0 is less than name length. 9 plus plus. Then we're just going to do phi is greater than 0, name plus equals a space, and then name plus equals global dot Greek alphabet sub irandom of array length global. I mean, there's really a new version of Game Maker. Yes. So this beta that I'm using is now technically outdated. Oh, of RPG Maker? Though then also probably yes. Aren't there like yearly RPG Maker releases? I shouldn't. If it's a global variable that's not changing, I should just do. I think that'll be fine. And then finally, return name. What new stuff does it have? That's the real question. I don't think I've ever actually used RPG Maker. I've loaded it up, but I could never will myself to like actually learn it. Because I'm a bad person. Yes. Apparently finer control over layers. How do you not have fine control over layers before? Did it just like give you some default layers that you had to use? You couldn't like create your own? Because that sounds like a travesty. What did I call it? Create Greek house name. It has 4 layers. Huh. Okay. Map trees can be rearranged. Don't think this is actual foliage. It's not that hard to use, but I mean, everything's, well, a lot of stuff is easy to use at the start and you can do complicated things with it. I never cared to learn the complicated things. I never cared to learn anything more than just putting stuff on the map. You don't mean over the layers themselves, but which one you're working on? Oh, huh. Interesting. Character generator? Interesting. So I think so. Maybe I'll create a new object, which is just going to be our object group controller. New battle system sounds akin to Final Fantasy VII or maybe Final Fantasy X. I'm down with that. I like Final Fantasy X. Improved event engine control. Okay. Seems decently useful. See, okay, so I think this is the problem. I really don't need... I really don't need that, because I'm never going to, like, draw... how do we do this? Jeez, why have I forgotten how to do this? Is it like that? I'm never going to need to, like, draw a Greek house, so I don't think it needs an actual object on its own. Movement route previews. Okay, that's kind of cool. Improved animation builder now includes particle effects. Ooh, I love particle effects. Improved plugin management and usage. Okay. I'm torn. I'm like, this sound like substantial improvements, but I'm also like, I thought RPG Maker had all this stuff before. Maybe only through like plugins and whatnot. Like a lot of this stuff sounds like basic stuff, like route previews, autosaves. Ooh, improved touchscreen support. That's gonna be nice to get people making stuff for the mobile area if it was bad before. So what did I do with my vectors? Were they in a did I put them in here? Function vector. Okay. So I'm just gonna create, there's going to be one fraternity and one sorority, and I think that will be fine. So just go here, we'll put the group controller in here, just throw it down there, and then when I people create guests, oh, I haven't done that. Is it somewhere else? Oh, I did this. Actually, hold on. I don't know why I wouldn't take both of these. So I can do that. And how big is this party going to be? That is a good question. I don't know. I was actually thinking about that today. And it's one of the most difficult things because I'm like, I could make it as big as I wanted to. But then it's like you like can't see what's going on with too many people. So I was thinking about that and I was like, didn't really think about that earlier. So the party is 3 people. That is way too many people to be a party. I'm partying right now. It's great. But yeah, so that's kind of an issue. So that was one thing I was thinking about where I was like, this isn't probably going to be a super long-lived project, but it's kind of nice. You know, I'm like, maybe I'll do like a bit more work on this, but I don't know how much longevity there will be because it's just kind of going to get to be like a mess. There's a lot of action and not a lot of Rude. Oh, whoa. Six. Is that similar smart minds think alike? Is that it? Smart minds think alike or something like that? Eh. 8. I don't know. Do that. Then guess that we'll do that. So let me just go here and just in our we'll just do is Greek equals false, house equals no one. Good. No. You are invited. You're on Twitch chat, aren't you? So that's perfect. That's the invitation. Oh, good. We're getting the lag going again. I like that. So, and then if guess dot gender equals house equals fraternity, else if guess dot gender is equal to genders dot female, do house equals dot else. So if you're male, you go in the fraternity. If you're female, you go in the sorority. If you're non-binary, you get to go wherever. Just 50-50 chance. Not even the cats. I didn't even invite the cats. They're both here with you. Jax Phillips still hasn't won one. That's because he's bad. That's because he's bad. Gonna do what am I gonna do? I'll just draw a circle. Just X, Y. So we'll just do that, and I think that'll be fine. Person controller. Kick it up to 10 people. That'll be perfect. We're gonna get, I just want to see someone with a red circle, please. Please. Oh, yeah, there's a red circle. Oh, they're wiggling too. Look at that. They're going ham. Okay, it did kind of freeze up. There's some pathfinding stuff. This guy's just chugging his beer out here, down at the bottom. Good for him. Yeah, it does kind of chug on pathfinding sometimes. Just trying to find a location. There we go. This is more of a party. That's a party right there. Oh, nice and freezy. Just the way I like it. Want to help the pathfinding? Add a concept of a room and a doorway. Yeah, I was thinking about that, but that also just like... I was trying to think of what that would entail. I mean, it'd be pretty easy for me to like make rooms, but if I wanted to like procedurally generate houses, then it's getting a little more redonkulous. Also, you're going to need to go and then be more specific. How exactly would that help at all? Yeah, the dancing is, yeah, they're having a good time. This could actually be considered a party now? I don't know. You think? This seems like more of a shindig. I'm so tired I'm spacing out right now. Three people still isn't a party. If you get the right three people, it surely is. That's what I say. Yeah. Party and watch Asobi Asobase. And think about going to Denny's. Actually, I think we did go to Denny's. I vaguely remember walking the half mile to Denny's with him. Why? I don't remember. Was there a reason we couldn't take the car? Or did we just choose to walk? That sounds very unlike us. Yeah, Smithy wanted to walk because he was doing... Oh, right, just to save him. Or just to get some exercise. pretty much ready to just go to bed. Holy cow. Ugh, why does work suck everything out of me? Because work sucks. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, I'm like, hypothetically, if I come in here, totally thought that there was like a stamp. This is when I remember that I don't actually remember how to draw a heart at all. Actually, it's more so that I just don't know how to do pixel art. Does that look like a heart? I mean, it like might, but it's too big. Did you mean lung? No. A little bit. Maybe. I don't know. Did I mean lung? Does anyone ever mean lung? Stop it. Deselect. So I'm just like one thing I thought about is where's the ooh, that's my jam. Oh no, it's in move, isn't it? It's in move along path. We're just going to, I think it's just think one. I think that's where I put it at. No. Oh no. Oh yeah, that would do it. That's fine, heart. Good. That's what I care about. I can't even make the simplest gosh darn generator correctly. Heck. There we go. That should work a little bit better. I just want to see them make a heart now if they like the music. Not that guy. This guy already wants a drink. He's just coming here and I'm like, I need a drink. Object music dot thought bubble. What? Can I do that? I don't think so. If here's if other, isn't that a real way to do that? Why exactly did I do this? This just seems stupid. If as heard music is not equal to... Oh, because I'm going through each music. That's right. Just do that. Oh no, but I can't do that. But it's so gross. Just go back and forth. Just go back and forth. Someone's got to like the music. One of you guys has to like the music. Right? Someone? Anyone? Got 4 people here who don't seem to like the music. Not you, not you. Come on, someone? Either that or it's just not working. I mean, it should be kind of working. Apparently just no one likes the music in this one. Of course. The music is subjectively meh. You right. You right. What's up, Bubblegum? I'll just restart until people like the music and then it'll be perfect. Guy just coming in, he's like, yep, drinks. I'm here for drinks, and that's about it. Are we gonna seriously have another one where no one likes the music? Come on. Someone like the music. I just want to know if my heart is working. This is whack. Please. I know the music is subjectively meh, but one of you guys, surely. We've gone through 3 attempts. I need my ooh, this is my jam back, because now I don't know if it's working. Shouldn't have removed it. Should not have removed it. It's my jam. Okay. That one I know it works. I know that one works. Please, guys, show up. Nope. Okay. No. No. God, I'm so stubborn though. Okay, someone did say, ooh, this is my jam. But they didn't think. They did not think. Disgusting. Why would they do that? It might be because I can't stack. So maybe I can just do... what can I do? Well, I'll leave that. I don't know. But I'm just going to leave that for right now. It's fine. It is 1, right? Yeah. Okay, well, my create guest. I just want to see show debug message member of plus house dot name. Let's see what kind of sick names we got going on for our sorority and fraternity. Now we're never going to get another Greek person. Just guaranteed. Oh God. Oh God. I've jinxed it. This is a no Greek allowed party, apparently. Everything was going so well, though. It was going so well. Phi Mu. For some reason it didn't put a space in there. So Phi Mu is our sorority, it looks like. There's a pink girl walking around. Are we gonna get a fraternity? Does not look like it. So how did I mess up my generator this time? Oh, it would help to actually like add the space. Stupid. Okay, let's just keep going. Come on. I just want to see that it works now. Tau Kappa Upsilon? Yeah, that sounds like a real thing right there. I'd believe it. Maybe. I don't know what if there are like rules or anything. Welcome back, Emiko. Sigma Beta? Yeah, I could believe it. Why not? That seems perfect. You're having trouble with my internet, so I couldn't reconnect to the chat. Then my message was either being majorly delayed or just not going through on YouTube. Oh, fun. Are we back? Yeah, I got no idea what's... I closed the YouTube thing. Got no idea anymore. My streaming... like, whole streaming setup is just... in flux right now. It's ridiculous. Wake up, Dustin. Holy cow. I legit cannot even think right now. This is absurd. Let's just... I'm like, now I just kind of want to do something fact, I don't even know what I want to do right now. I'm just going to make a toilet. We're just going to make a toilet. It'll be fine. People gotta use the toilet. Question is, can we make people use it? So I did do 60. Yeah, give me that one. It's not exactly what I was hoping for. New layer to make this on. It'll just make my life easier. There we go. That looks delightfully horrifying. I think we're getting too dark. I think that's the problem. Oh, cool. You're doing that, I see. No, stop. Just deselect. Just deselect. Oh, right. Layers. Then I'll just do this. Just so that one. Yeah. So I did kind of like that. Why not? Perfect. That's a toilet, right? I think that's definitely kind of one. Oh wait, we're not done yet. Gotta have the toilet seat. This is how I gotta practice my pixel art. I don't even know what it would look like. Kind of like that. Oh, who cares? That's a toilet. I don't care that much. Create an object. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Emiko. I did it. I'm the best. I did the thing. Behavior. Get drink. Bathroom. So let's just go to our state icons and add a new one after this. And this one. And just go, oh look, it's still got my heart stamp. Perfect. The thing was a toilet? Yes, I'm so happy. Sad face. This just... That's just going to be the face of needing to use the bathroom, and it'll be great. So you're just pretty much... We're just going to give each guest like a bladder rating. Oh, God, I don't even know what in the heck I'm gonna do with this. Delete. I guess I could have kept alarm 1. Oh, hey, it worked anyways. Alarm set 1. What would I do? Like room speed times 5, so every 5 seconds they gain 1. That seems fine to me. So for locations, I should do, I know I did find open next to, so I'm just gonna do get location of, and then I'll just return this pretty much. And that'll just allow us to move like onto it, which will be a lot better. So idle, we'll do if you can find it, it's in the old ugly style. What is the old ugly style? What does that mean? I don't know, we'll just do or really just gotta go. We'll do goal state equals well, for right now, I'm just gonna, we'll just find one. Who cares if people use it at the same time? It'll be fine. Then the app now has EMM. Secret code. Well, I'll just do 3 different character styles. Interesting. So if it's not in use, then we'll do goal state equals states dot bathroom. Think with goal state target location equals get location of. So we'll do that. Okay, then that'll be great. We will create a new script. Actually, there's an easy way to fix this. If the toilet's not in use, set the toilet to in use. So it won't be like totally legit, because it'll be in use from like when they decide to go, but hey, it'll be better than nothing. Rename. Bathroom. Why not? I'm just gonna steal this. If that, then mine was classic, the first style. Now they have ink and limelight. Ooh. I don't understand what any of this means, but I support it. I'm like, yes, I understand this. If bathroom time. Actually, this is silly. We'll just do if bladder is less than or equal to 0, which it shouldn't be. I'm not, yeah, I'm like not even gonna worry about that. Just gonna do that. Then you don't do that, you don't do that. So then I just need to do so I might need like a target object too. So where's target location? Person has that, don't they? No? Object guessed. Am I just crazy? Eh? Interesting. And target objects. So that'll be fine. That'll actually be useful. Target audience is usually teen or preteen girls, which I'm not. I'm offended. So I should just be able to do target object. What else I should do? Actually, that seems pointless. So we'll do that. Then, okay. What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Target object. Toilet, that'll be fine. So you can go and use that. You shouldn't have assumed your age and gender. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not in the target demographic of a lot of things. And that never stopped me before. So think your goal state, get your location. But now I have this. So now I can go to the bathroom and then set you to state.idle, target object dot in use equals false, and target object equals no one, which will just be good, I think. So then let's draw. We're gonna draw rectangle. It's gonna start at x and then y plus sprite height minus 4. And then x2 will be x plus ladder divided by 100 times sprite width. So that'll be a maximum of that, and y2 will be y plus sprite height false. And then I'll just draw set color. See, this one can be green. That doesn't really make sense. I mean, certain kinds of green do. Yellow. Perfect. That's what we need. Offset color C white. That'll be perfect. Your first story was actually based off a fanfic that was posted here on YouTube, but I'm super embarrassed to tell you my old username because it's still up. But we gotta know. Then where's my behavior thing? Where did I put it? Person controller? No. Why do I never remember anything about this thing that I have created? Okay, so it's just here. Scripts states dot. Okay, I think that'll be it. Maybe? We'll see. I don't know if this is gonna work. I hope it will. I forgot to add a toilet. That would help. Object. And I'm gonna rotate you. Actually, no, I'm not, because that might mess everything up again. Shoot. Second was also based off fanfic that I posted on this account. Those are privated. Okay, there is little rectangles. That's good. So real quick, let me go to the drink. So now every time you take a drink, your bladder will go up a little bit too. It'll be great. But actually, let me just like speed up the process real quick. Each sip will be one entire step up. Xi Chi Delta. Okay. Would you recommend writing on episode? Yeah, it's a good question. Is it awesome? Everything you ever dreamed it would be? Even just a little bit useful? They were written 8 years ago. Holy cow. Hey Maria, what's up? How are you doing? What is this little guy you've sent me? Ifan. How are you doing tonight? God, the dance party's getting started. Good, good. Maybe hot. Oh God, why are you hot fixing tonight? That is unfortunate. So does that mean it's going to be a late night? You're going to be up forever? I should make this go even faster, honestly. Congratulations. Each time you take a sip of your drink, you get 20% more need to go to the bathroom. Or just 20, like just straight up 20 percentage points. Okay, well, not too late is good, but ugh. Still later than you should need to be working. Oh yeah, 3's already drinking, or the blue guy who's dancing now. Oh, never mind. This new guy's going ham. Well, we got Upsilon Sigma Pi. Yeah, that's a fine name right there. It doesn't have that oomph that you hope for, but it's good. I just want to see someone use the bathroom. And hopefully no one walks into the bathroom while they're using it, but they probably will. That seems like something that would happen. Okay, good. Just step into the wall. That's a good idea. Bathroom needs a lock. Bathroom needs a door. What's a door? Why would I need one of those? That's just ridiculous, really. No one should listen to me out of context. I think that's very fair. Honestly, I think yes. It's hard getting the hang of directing and positioning, but it was fun making choices matter. And making it so all the characters are customizable was a pain, but it was fun. I mean, a lot of things are work. You just gotta make the work worth it, right? See, now normal work, like just work, never worth it. Except for the paycheck. That's the only redeeming quality. Like, please, just pay me every 2 weeks and I'll be fine, but otherwise I'd rather not. Can you not just walk through a wall, my dude? That would make me really happy, alright? Oh yeah, I love all these freezings I get on the pathfinding. It's very good. So it's who's gonna be the first one to hit 60 bladder? Or I guess 80. That's the only time it's guaranteed. We're working on it. But I realized I forgot to even set the first alarm, so bladders aren't just raising in the background, which is ridiculous. You gotta drink. I'm like, just gonna let this pink girl's gotta be close. She just left the house, but she's gotta be really close. And this mad lass has a drink too? Girl, you're gonna be regretting that decision. That's for sure. Yeah, she's refusing. She knows she's not taking any more drinks. She's like, nope, I'm not gonna use the bathroom tonight. Well, she did take one more drink. I think she's still in the lead. Just a drink, girl. My goodness. Please don't take any of this out of context. It makes me sound very, very bad. Okay, this guy. Oh, yeah, he's got the sad face. He's going to the bathroom. He's making his way over there. Then he uses the bathroom. Ah, good work, guy. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Perfect. He did it. Oh, I'm so proud of him. You always wanted to go back and make some of your old stuff better in one of the newer styles. It's one of the best things about finishing something. You can always go back and make it better. Yeah, that's always nice. But also, like, I don't know. Bubblegum, I want to hear your opinion on this. Do you ever have the will to actually do that? I feel like if I finish something, I just want to consider it done and never look at it again. Like, I mean, my biggest fear right now is with the new Game Maker update, I could not get Trist running in the new Game Maker update. And so it's like, I'm scared. I'm like, I really don't want to like have to redo it. And if I cannot get it working at all in the new one, I'm just not going to. I feel. That worked nicely. Happy with that. You've gone back and completely rewritten an entire fanfic because I loved the story I was telling and I knew I could do it better. Holy cow. I admire your dedication. I admire that a lot, honestly. Okay, I don't know why I'm running it again. I guess just to see if the alarm's actually working. See if people's bladders. We got lambda, psi, and theta, gamma. Sounds fine. Some people like whatever genre this music is. Lots of people like it. We got 3 people saying this is my jam. This yellow person is going ham on the drinking. My goodness, slow your roll right there. Oh, finished drink goes to get a second one. That's how you do. I can just do this because this is working. So if that width isn't gonna work, then if I come out here, just want to see that heart show up, even though I can use that heart for so many other things. Using it for music seems lame. Cyro. Someone? Anyone? Is this anyone's jam? No, it's showing up. They're just not thinking. It's weird. Oh, wait, I know why. I literally made that. I have no idea what that is supposed to be. Is that just like a corgi or something? But it's super cute. All these little pepes. It's Fox. Ah, like from Smash. Dat Fox. No, interesting. My goodness. Oh, just the little fox one is so cute. I thought I was like stopping it here, but no. Yeah, but yeah. It needs a yeehaw fox. Of course. Oh, it's on the thought bubble, right? Just to draw. Yeah. I'm just gonna get rid of that. That's why it wasn't drawing it. because I was forcing it to not do one of the blank ones, but that's stupid. We just won't think about anything else. Yeah, I got a heart. This my jam. Heart. Why did it seem like the heart wasn't going away if we got that? Heart. It's like not going away for some reason. Timer. Oh, if that's why, yeah, because I'm not incrementing the timer. Why would I do that? Ridiculous. All right, good night, Monster Cat. I'm glad that you just decided that my internet, well, I guess I should say good night, AT&T. Thank you for deciding that I just can't listen to Monster Cat while I do this. There was a network error, was there now? Are you sure? Are you lying to me? I think it might be lying to me. Oh yeah, that's the low quality jams I love right there. This my jam. Keep the older version up too, and I still get reviews telling me how much my writing improved. That's awesome. They liked the new characters and new ending. Sick. That's super cool. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I got a comment on Help. I accidentally isekai'd 5 cute girls, and I'm their boss. And someone said they really enjoyed it, and that makes me happy. And also, Peggy played it on her channel yesterday, so you can go watch her play through it if you want. It hurt me a little bit because I realized there were bugs that I just couldn't find because I wasn't going to actually sit there and like read through my own visual novel that I wrote. So it hurt. It hurt. I saw a couple typos. She even pointed one out, and I saw another one. I was like, heck, because I know I'm the type of person who, like, I know whenever I'm playing a visual novel, I'm like, is that supposed to say that? And then when Peggy did that to me, I was like, oh, I thought I was so good with all my writing and whatnot, and I was not. But yeah, and then there's an annoying problem where apparently I just did the music wrong. Or maybe I just accidentally left in a line when I was testing something, but the funky upbeat music gets put into the queue at the very start. So if you just play the game long enough, you'll get the funky upbeat music. And I'm like, whoa. You're not supposed to get the funky upbeat music until you put on a concert. But, whatever. Yeah, watch the video. I'd probably also go back and just like rebalance it a little bit. Can you like not walk through the wall to go to the bathroom, please? That would be super nice. Whatever. Should always read through at least twice. I did. It's just, I mean, I played through the game a couple times, but I wasn't going to go slow because I knew what everything was saying anyways, so it's not, so I never found the music one. And then with typos, it's just always one of those things where it's like, quite frankly, you're just going to miss stuff because you tell yourself it sounds right anyways, and so you get it in your head that like, hey, I'm writing flawlessly, and phew. It's like, if that's my biggest problem, that's fine. Oh, everyone gotta go use the bathroom now. They're like, oh no. At least they're all being so courteous. Where'd you find the music? No, they changed their name. Well, I don't know. I still know them as Incompetech. It's this one person. Well, I think there are a few people now, but for the most part, it's this one person. Kevin, is that it? Compotech music, and also Kevin MacLeod. Yeah, it was that royalty-free music. Modern cinematic. Did they change everything? Yeah, here we go. So this website, incompetech.filmmusic.io. You can't see it because my face is in the way. Right there. Oh, sorry, right there. I was pointing on my other screen. It's royalty-free music. Ooh, film music version 3.0. Oh, stylish dark design. Ooh, how about that? Should have had her beta test first. Yeah. I mean, yes. If I were like, I don't want to say actually trying, because that makes it sound like I wasn't trying, but it's like, I was working on that game up until Saturday night, and I submitted it on Saturday night, and we were drinking that night after I finished streaming. So it's just kind of one of those things that it's like, yeah, sure, I could have had her tested on Sunday, but at that point the game was already submitted, and it's just like, meh. You know, the nature of game jams is to work on them to the end. Like, honestly, I could have put in a lot more work onto it, but I didn't. Yeah, that's just kind of how it goes, I suppose. I mean, there's also just the fact that, like, I'm not terribly concerned. Like, if my livelihood depended on making these indie games correctly, then maybe I would care a little bit more, but it doesn't, so I'm not too concerned, really. So I think one thing I need to do is I need to, like, go here. If I just do this, like, is this the one that makes it matter? So if I do middle center and go here, yeah. This doesn't line up on the grid anymore, which is annoying, but, like, hypothetically, I think I could rotate that now. It's like, now I just want to hope, because I need to figure out how I'm gonna do some stuff. For right now, let me just kind of gonna do something stupid and silly. I'm gonna create a group. This is gonna be the awkward spot. We're going to create a sprite. Awk. Just make it hot pink. Maybe not that hot. That's too hot. Make it 2 wide. I'll even do 3 wide. I think that'll be fine. That's going to be the awkward spot. And it'll be perfect. Create object. Oops. There's obj awk. I just want to see if I can get something kind of working for the hottest of it's too hot. Hottest of pinks is too hot. So I'm going to try and do script. This is just going to be, we'll call it interact for right now. It's on the person. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Person controller, no. Global vars. So we'll have our interact, which will go in there. So for here, now we can have like interaction time equals. How are Tommy and Skittle today? Pretty good. Skittle got annoyed at Tommy because he was aggressively bathing her, but otherwise, you know, they're pretty much par for the course every day. They don't do a lot. You can talk for like a solid 300 seconds. So we have our target object then. Oh, actually, I'm going to start this at 0, but we'll do that. Interact. So we'll do just take drink. Why is this so? Just like that. Interaction time. I'm sure they feel like they do a lot. Yeah. He found, oh yeah, Tommy did find a bone, like a little chewing bone that we bought Skittle that she hates. We tried to get her to stop chewing on stuff and she did not care for the bone at all. Started following a live stream that was just cats earlier. Oh goodness, that's a lot of cats. So if it's 0, I'm going to go to object guest real quick, and then we'll have reciprocates, because why not? So let's just see if I can get something kind of working for scandalous nonsense. So we'll do interaction time. So then we'll think just ones. We'll have hearts just the entire time where he's doing that thing. Or they're doing that thing. It was the cutest thing ever, just watching a bunch of cats sleep, eat, and play to some nice music. Nice. Sounds fun. So then we'll do target object dot reciprocates equals random 100s. We'll just test if they roll. Actually, no, we'll do something more than that. We'll do 10. So they'll have a 10% chance to reciprocate. Why not? We'll do if interaction time is equal to, or is less than or equal to maybe 100, then we'll do if target object dot so then they can think in return. And then if it's 0, then then we want to go to the awkward spot, I guess. Awk equals get find nearest object awk. The channel was just called Adorable Stars. Nice. That does sound very nice. I've just been binging like a RimWorld playthrough because I've been so obsessed with that game and it just never goes away. So it'll go away eventually, I'm sure. Best friend works at an animal shelter and one of her jobs is sit in a room full of cats to get them used to people. That sounds fun. In use equals true. Object equals this should only be if target object dot reciprocate. Then we can just turn it to false right there. You wish I wasn't allergic to them. Cats are so cute and soft and mostly cuddly. Mostly. Target object equals awk. Let me just real quick. Target object dot dance direction equals the opposite of my dance direction. That'll be good. Wait, what? The pizza man's allergic to cats? I did not know this, actually. That's a strug. Tell him to suck it up and get a cat anyways. That's the good life strategy right there. Probably still have cats if Buzzy wouldn't eat them. Oh, okay. Well, I know Peggy's dad, yeah, she's going the same thought as well. Peggy's dad took allergy medication specifically so they could have a cat. So I don't know if that's going to work. Target location equals find get location of target object, try path to, and then with, I need to actually do this first, I guess. This can be above it all. So if we can find an open awkward spot, you was allergic to cat. If I was allergic, didn't stop me from getting 2 hair pills for that. Yeah, it's the strat right there. Cats just equal more drugs. Cuddling 100 cuddly cats sounds like both heaven and an adorable death. I feel like if you get 100 cats together, you're bound to get some scratch marks. I feel like there is no such thing as a group of 100 cats that would get along well enough with each other to form a nice cuddle pile. So set that. And then we'll just do that. So you guys will both try and path to it. Oh, and then your goal state will be dance. State stop dance. If this works, this is gonna look so dumb and I'm gonna love it. Just imagine how fluffy and soft it would be. Yeah, minus the claws. House. Let's just put an awkward spot somewhere in here. Right in the back of the dance floor where it belongs. Actually, let's put it in the middle there. Then our idle. We'll just do a first test of if. One of these days I'll actually like make this seem good. It'd probably actually go after Bladder, just if I'm being for real right now. Parents have let you bring Skittle home for Christmas last 2 years. Yeah. For right now, I'll probably just do I'm just gonna do fine. Just gonna do that. So then that makes me realize I should probably go to find nearest object. And then I'll just do if object is not equal to person. Just to make sure they don't find themselves, because that would be silly. Find nearest. So do that. Brought your dog into your room to cuddle and take a nap. Nice. That sounds fun. I think they're excited at the prospect of us bringing Tommy because he's more friendly. Yeah, but he's also more scared too, in a way. In his own special Tommy way. Yeah, he does warm up quickly. But I mean, like, they'll, like, I feel like they'll probably want to, like, hold him. And he does not like that. I'm going to do a state stop waiting, I think. And it's just gonna do nothing. I think that'll be fine. So it'll just, so right now he's just totally gonna interrupt them, but it'll be fine. Like one day I'm sure he would open up to the cuddles. This isn't gonna work too well. Probably have to wait until 2021. Yeah. I'm just gonna do find random person. I'll do find random. It'll take in a actually, yeah, that'll be fine. Our options equals array with our myself equals self. Actually, I don't even need to do that. With object, so like in this case, with any guest, if self is not equal to other, options sub array length options self. I'm sorry. So we'll just return a random one of these. -1. Almost did that again. So return random of array length. No, that is what I want. Oh no, it's because I forgot this. iRandom. There we go. Option sub random of array length options -1. Yeah, it seems fine. Okay, that's fine. Let's try making that a function so it actually works. Idle. Oh, but then, and I guess here I'll just do if pers.state is not equal to states.waiting. So if they are interruptible, then we'll do all this. Otherwise, it'll just suck. Target object equals person. Target location is find open next to target object. So if they're not no one and their state's not waiting, goal state equals states.interact. Think of goal state. Try path 2 and get out of there. So now I need 2 more of these state icons. So this is interact. gonna do that. Just, that's terrible. There we go. That's like an interaction. It's like a speech bubble. So there's going to be a speech bubble in a thought bubble. And then we'll have one for waiting, which will be my perfect dot, dot, dot. Yeah, that's the good stuff right there. Let me just make sure I got that right. So it should be bathroom, interact, waiting. Yep. Else, so if you can't find one, then we'll just go to state thought idle and target object. Object dot state dot idle. Not sure if that's gonna work. I don't know. I feel like I got lost because this is one of the most complicated things that I've done. They're going already. Dang. They seem stuck. Let me like try again. That seems like something we need to fix, but like they just went ham right off the bat. Okay, hold on. That seems wrong. Let me do that. We'll just lower this chance a bit, so we'll do 5. If person is not equal to no one, person find random object guessed. I should have already gotten self out of the way, but it seemed like they were talking to themselves. Not too sure. So like that person just tried talking. They're talking to like no one. Do you keep a schedule or anything? Me? Like just for my life? Yeah, I guess. My schedule is just called work. I know what day of the week it is all the time because I'm living for the weekend. And then my schedule is 7:30 to 4:30 I'm working, and otherwise it's me time. And then I have my rough stream schedule. State target object equals person. next to goal state equals states dot interact. So you get to interact. Set the reciprocates. 7:30 to 4:30. 7:30 to 4. R colon er. Yes, agreed. Keeping a schedule. Oh no, I can't keep a schedule outside of work and school. That should be fine. That should update it. Got a new phone. It's being weird. Fun. It's exciting. I like getting new phones. Okay, so going to talk to them. Then they're doing that thing, which is fine. But then nothing's just ever happening. So why is nothing ever happening in here? Interaction time is going down. Think that if the interaction time is less than or equal to 100, maybe I'm just not waiting long enough. How long is that? 200 seconds or 200 ticks divided by 36 seconds? That feels like I'm waiting that long. 7 seconds. I should be better about having a schedule, but I just get too burnt out and then I just don't feel like doing anything. Okay, so that's just they love the music. I think this someone's getting talked to. Okay, so he's doing that thing. Okay, reciprocated. Oh, hold on. And they're going to the awkward spot. And they're dancing together. Perfect. Oh my goodness, they did a thing. Goal state equals states dot dance. Your old phone fell into pasta sauce? That is sick. That is the best way to lose a phone. I mean, no, it's not, because obviously that's no good, but man, what a good story. Should just set them to states.idle after that. Wait, hold on. Dance. I'm gonna try and fix things real quick. Person controller. We're gonna just have 2 max guests. They're going to do their thing. Okay, so we got our 2 guests. One is a member of Rho Lambda Xi. Talking, the girl approached him. So he's not reciprocating, I guess. Oh, that. Right. Okay, hold on. Interact. If interaction time equals 0. Okay. Else, do this same thing. So this was only if they reciprocated but couldn't find an awkward spot. But sometimes you just want them to, stop talking. And it'll be perfect. Okay, beer, So she's a member of Chi Omicron. This girl's not a member of anything. Okay, they're talking. Chat. No reciprocation. Oh, what a bummer. And then they're going to dance. They're like, yep, you know what? Let's just, if we're the only two at this party, maybe we could try again later. Okay. Attempt number 2. No dice. Getting out of here. It looks like one person's going kind of to dance. Oh, no, it's because it didn't change their goal state. Oh, she just walked right through the wall. So yeah, it's because I didn't change their goal state. So if they had a goal state before they got interrupted, then that's the problem. Oh god, they're wiggling on the same spot. You're not supposed to do that. Start with an introduction to your characters. Recommend outlining how you plan to structure your story. Ew, planning. Hate that. Okay, so now I'm curious to see, because this girl on the right wanted to go get a drink. So they're going to chat. And if she doesn't reciprocate, then she'll go idle. No, she decided to go. Okay. That's fine. One of these days. One of these days. I should just raise the chance, but I'm like, nah. It sounds too gross. Just introduction to anything is always the worst part. TBH. Okay, going to dance. As you do. Should have given them more than a 10% chance. Just straight up. Oh well. We'll survive. Please, one of these days. Oh, she's going to the bathroom. That's fair. That is fair and understandable. Just wiggle endlessly for days. One of these days. Surely it'll work. Surely. I give up. I give up. You win. Reciprocating. Now a 50-50 chance. And then on idle, we're going back to a 33% chance. Just right off the bat. Okay, so they're chatting. 50-50 chance. Let's go. Yeah, they did it. Okay, so they're gonna go wiggle on the awkward spot for a bit, and then she just got a drink out of nowhere. Oh, that's great. That's great. Yep. Go get a beer or whatever. Some punch. So I think I just need to make their... Wait. Why didn't you guys go and wiggle? Oh, I forgot to set the awkward spot not to in use. That's why. Okay, that's good. Just for right now, I'll do if dancing time is 0. If target object is not equal to no one, target object dot in use equals false. So we'll do that, and then in the interaction, I'll do, or not in the interaction, in the idle, if we find someone then we'll do just do this. State is state dot waiting. Goal state equals no one. And then that should fix the problem of them like randomly getting drinks after the fact. We'll just need to figure out the details. Reciprocate? Question mark? No, yes. Okay, so now I just gotta see if they like do it twice. Oh, it's so dumb. Okay, so then they're off going doing their own thing. Well, they are one person now, which is a little unnerving, but that's okay. You guys do what you want. Drinking, all that jazz. Things a lot easier. You start with your MC's thoughts and introduction to the LIs, like if they already know the MC, show how. Oh, love interests. Got it. So what does the wiggle spot mean? I'll tell you when you're older, Emiko. Love interests, like how they already know the MC, show how they will interact with them. Are you guys standing on top of each other? Oh, it did do that. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Behavior scripts. Oh, because I set it to no one. Goal state equals states dot idle. So we'll just do that. Okay. And then when I do find open next to, I'm not going to worry about that right now. Find open next to. So I just want to do if I equals 0 and j equals 0 continue. So just don't take the one that is literally on them. It's an awkward spot for a reason, mainly because it's like just in an open room, but that's fine. Yeah, just two people just going, wiggling right next to each other. It's fine. Every small update I do is making this game a bit livelier, though, so that's cool. This girl's just like, please, I just wanted to dance. Okay, they reciprocated, so they're both going here. And they're wiggling on top of each other. Good job wiggling, guys. And so now I just got to see if they wiggle twice, and then I think I'll call this good. Just need to make sure that the awkward spot is getting set as no longer in use. But now they don't want to talk to each other at all anymore. Do I want to know about the wiggle spot? No? I'll guess no. Oh my god, whoa, what was that? Her dance timer was all messed up. Is that because of the wiggle spot? Might have been. But why would that have messed it up, though? It should just be doing the dance. Never wiggly at parties. Okay, interrupting her. Good. Would you like to wiggle? Yes, I would like to wiggle. And then they go and wiggle. Okay, great. Yeah, that looks like it's working. A-okay. The wiggle begins. The wiggle ends. Good wiggles were had by all. Just keep wiggling. Oh my goodness, they're going to wiggle twice in quick succession? No, shot down. What does... Oh, no. Okay, well, we've got some wiggling implemented now. I can make the wiggling not exactly dancing. Okay, I think I did. I fought through the tiredness and did something. It was none of what I planned today. Like, I did nothing of, like, what I thought was going to be, like, the start of, like, a relationships engine of determining who knows who and how and why. I just did not do any of that. So maybe that'll be on Thursday. This is... Oh. No, I did not plan on wiggling, not in the slightest. Really shouldn't wiggle alone in the middle of a party. Yeah, this is all just... It's all just lots of wiggling. Maria, we need our Kanata. Sleepy Kanata. There we go. Perfect. Okay, well, I'm going to call this stream here and just end it now. Maria, I hope your hotfix goes well. Bubblegum, Emiko, Bob, who I don't think is still here, but maybe, I don't know. Thank you all for stopping by. And Peggy, we can have Bloob Snack if you want. But yeah, I think I'm going to end this stream here. Got all of our wiggling out of our system, so that's fantastic. And I'm really trying to work on getting a theme for my stream going. It's just slow, and you know, maybe hopefully I'll be able to show that off maybe next week. If not Thursday, I'll keep working at it, but it's a struggle. Yep, I'll say hi to the cats. All right, thank you all for stopping by. I will see you in the next stream with probably more wiggling adventures. But I'm also like, maybe one of these days I should actually go back to the programming I intended to do when I started streaming, which was actually giving myself an excuse to work on Trist a bit more. We'll see. We'll see. But for now, I will see you all next time. Please don't wiggle without everyone consenting, please. Oh, Lord. Wiggling's gonna be the new thing on this channel, isn't it? I have made a great problem right now.